Crispy tuna bite?
Crispy tuna bite?
Crispy tuna burger.
To make a crispy tuna burger, first things first, we gotta make sushi rice. So we start with 2 cups and then rinse it. I only wash it once because I don't really mind the starch. And then pour enough water till it reaches the 2-cup guiding line in the pot. And last but not least, put my finger in there to look like a professional.
Use finger.
It's done when the rice cooker starts saying cuckoo. And then we'll season the rice with a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of sugar. Make sure it's well mixed. Pour it into the hot rice. And then we have sushi rice.
Nice job, team.
Pour it into a plastic wrapped sheet tray and press it down.
If you're impatient like me, you can also do this where you put ice on top and ice on the bottom.
I'm not as impatient as her, so I'm only gonna put ice on top.
Make sure to wet it so it doesn't stick.
Making sure that I wet the rim so it slides in and out easier. I don't feel like deep frying, so I'm just gonna sear it. Alright, time to flip it. I'm just gonna swirl the rice aggressively to prevent sticking.
Try cheating on me.
I don't have those ingredients nor the option to cheat on anybody, so we're just gonna have to improvise. I found these pre-minced tuna on sale. It even comes with scallion. It's a little slimy, but no need to worry. I also got a bottle of Kewpie mayo that's unassumingly sexual. And then we'll complete this spicy tuna filling with Frank's Red Hot. Woo! I made eye contact with avocados at the store, but decided not to get them. So we'll just go with a layer of the tuna mixture, and then a scallion that has completed its mutation. A whole jar of salmon roll for $5. What? And yes, it is too good to be true, because it's synthetic. It kind of smells like plastic, but look how pretty. Now we close the burger and wrap it in plastic wrap. For some reason, wrapping it up instantly makes it look tastier. Just like a square sandwich that's cut diagonally. Alright, let's take a look at the cross section. Not bad at all. And unwrap and into the mouth. I think for a simple recipe like this, you really need the best quality and freshest ingredients, and my plastic salmon roll and not so fresh tuna is making me feel a little sick. But if you have access to good ingredients, I can see this being really good. Alright, thank you.